Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to create and manage collections on your Amazon Kindle so you can organize your books by genre, topic, or reading list. Before getting started, make sure your Kindle is updated to the latest software version to avoid any issues. From the Kindle home screen, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Create a Collection. Next, enter a name for your collection and tap Save. After naming the collection, you'll be prompted to select the books you want to add. Tap on the titles you'd like to include, then tap Save again to finish creating the collection. Once your collection is created, tap Library at the bottom of the screen. In the library view, tap the Sort By menu icon in the top right corner and select Collections. You can choose to view your collections in either Grid View or List View. To edit a collection later, stay in the Collections view, tap on the collection you want to change, then select the Add or Remove icon that looks like a plus or minus symbol. From there, you can add new books or remove ones you no longer want in that collection. You can repeat these steps anytime to create more collections and keep your Kindle library organized. And that's how you create and manage collections on an Amazon Kindle. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.